On Kyrgyzstan's Lake Yssyk, vacationers enjoy clear, cool waters, sports and sunshine at a popular beach resort. Some will leave with memories of a happy summer holiday beneath snow-capped mountains. But it's not fun and games for everyone. Children as young as 6 spend their days working for a pittance to keep themselves and their families out of poverty.
Ийгилик нертегеши жок. Бирөө келип, эмне сатып атасың десем, ишиң болосун дедим да, иши. Анын иши эмне, мен жашоом менен кийилишкендечи.
11-year-old Daniil buys his stock of cotton candy from a woman named Gulmira, who also gives him space to sleep in her tent. He takes pride in his job, but it was a desperate family situation that drove him to work here. Another child sells bags of candied popcorn to pay for his school supplies. It's been a struggle for him. Kyrgyz legislation bars children under 14 from paid employment. But kids across the country help their parents with farm labor and household chores, so doing extra summer work is nothing extraordinary. Most authorities simply turn a blind eye. At Lake Yssyk, some of the sellers are so young they recognize banknotes only by the pictures.
Да. Когда первый класс была.
Сколько денег заработала?
300, 200, 100. 90.
Some lakeside tourists don't seem to notice the young workers around them, but others find their situation troubling.
Им трудно живется, действительно, что они вынуждены уже с такого возраста работать. Они еще должны быть в детстве. Они еще должны отдыхать, ни о чем об этом не думать. Они должны быть беззаботное. Детство должно быть радостное и беззаботное. Играться, развиваться.
When the summer ends, the resort will close for the year, and most children will go back to school. But many will keep struggling with the burden of poverty that drives them to work while others play.